Oh, wow.
Go ahead and lay face down.
Ooh, what the heck? Oh.
All right. Okay. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
All right.
Symmetrical queen.
Yeah. Okay.
Period.
Okay.
I can definitely feel the tenderness on my right side.
In here.
But I'm left dominant, so that's crazy.
So you're left-handed?
Mhm.
Yeah. Good. Breathe out all the way. Stay relaxed. Good. Yeah, this area in here on you.
Is insane. Oh, holy crap. That's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Keep it relaxed. That one cooperated well.
This foot, like,